I'm so excited. Ito na yun. Maglalaro tayo ng pick-up sa ibang bansa. Tayo ang bandera ng Pinoy. Let's go! Ito na guys. Oh my God! Look at that, man! Ano mo guys yung paligid ko? Ito ang ating Dayo series. Australian version. Take one last hours around for you. I won't stop. I don't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. Sheesh. Sa Australia tayo ngayon. I'm so excited. Ito na yun. Dati napapanaginipan ko na yung mga ganito. Napapanood ko lang sa mga internet. Pero ngayon nandito na tayo. Maglalaro tayo ng pick-up sa ibang bansa with foreigners. Tayo ang bandera ng Pinoy. Let's go! Saan yung court, bro? Itong malaking to? Ano, may mga players dito. Team Australia, kalaban natin matatangkad. Tara, excited ako.
Court 2 from 12 to 2:30 and 6.
Okay. 12 to 2:30, okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Good morning. I'm so excited. Excited to play ball. Ito na guys. Oh my God! Look at that, man! Holy shit! What the fuck? Let's go! Grabe, bro! Ang tatangkad nila, man! Mukha akong ano dito. Oh, ito na. Oh my God! Isa to sa mga video natin na sobrang excited ako gawin. Kasi first time natin maglalaro ng pick-up na basketball sa ibang bansa sa Australia. Hindi mo guys yung paligid ko. Mga kalaro natin, iba't ibang lahi. At alam niyo naman na mahal ko ang basketball. Kaya yung mga ganito napapanood ko lang sa ibang bansa, yung dadayo ka sa may pick-up ka. Thank you bro for making it happen. Tinulungan ako ng kaibigan ko. At ngayon makikidayo tayo. Titingnan natin kung kaya ng skills natin maglaro sa ibang bansa, kung makakasabay tayo. Pero kaya natin yan kasi Pilipino tayo. Itayo natin ang bandera ng Pilipinas. Ito ang ating Dayo series. Australian version. So, yun guys, para sa special na araw na to, bumili pa ako mismo ng sapatos. Ngayon lang, mga 10 minutes ago. Yun! Let's go! Sana makakuha ako ng highlights. Pero makikita nyo guys, sobrang ganda dito. Kasi, ang ganda ng court nila. Tapos dito, may ano pa, may mga nagbo-volleyball. Lahat sila iba-ibang lahi. So, I feel like I need to speak English right now. Because, you know, so people will, I belong. Yeah. Good pass, bro. Yeah, good shot, bro. Yeah, okay, bro. Yeah. You go do you do you. Bisa tayo, bro. Parang nakakaya ginagawa ko. So, ito guys, yung sapatos na binili ko. Damian Lillard. Siyempre, bagay sa binagayan natin yung shorts na nag-iisang dala ko. Baller tayo for today. Outfit check! Warm up muna bago binyagan yung sapatos.
Gotta warm up, man.
Okay na ka dun. Sige na. Bro, what's your name, sir?
Austin.
Austin, alright. You're so tall.
Oh, really, bro?
Oh, I'm just short. I'm just short. Okay. Let's go. So first game natin, kalaban natin yung kanina, mga matatangkad. Let's go. Take one last ones around for you. I won't stop. 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 I'm so handsome. No romance. Got my thinking, she like she making Spanish. It's on the play, got good days, play. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Di ba tayong court? Di ba tayong court, guys? Level 2 tayo, level 2. I ain't need till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. They see you at the top, so I'm for you. Pick you up and they look down on you. Take one lost, no one's around for you. I
I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. Never panic. Send it up and then advantage. I can't stand it. Out of order when you move to see you scrambling. Offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Take a set, not take a turn. Guys playing, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop.
Nice game, bro. Crazy, man.
Good shit.
Too good. Bro, you should be. Are you in the NBA right now? Bro, the things you're doing, I've been watching that on TV only. Good game, man. Good game, man. Thank you, brother. Brother, thank you, man.
Wait, is that going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Shout out, Coburn gang.
Yeah, let's go, boy. So, guys, may bago akong kaibigan na I found a new friend dito sa Australia. And I wanted to meet this guy. Yeah, what's up, my brother?
It's Bola. Ebola.
Yeah, he has this meron siyang YouTube channel. I'm gonna put it here. Are you good with Filipino watchers?
Well, actually, I have like a lot of Philo friends because I play in the Philo League.
Oh,
Like
no.
in Australia, yeah, there's like Philo Leagues around here playing community leagues.
So I have a message for the Filipino guys out there.
Well, I don't have no message, but I'm not doing this.
Why? You said
But hey, man.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Come on.
the game is hard, man. I like it. I learn a lot from Philo games, you know. So keep it up.
Bro, do you mind playing me one-on-one?
If you want.
This guy's a real baller, man. So shout out, follow him, subscribe, everything, bro. Support. Let's get it.
Cheers, my guy.
So guys, what an experience dito. First time ko makalaro ng pick-up, although wala tayong masyadong highlights kasi ang tatangkad nila na parang kakaiba yung feeling na nasa-shock ako kasi biglang ang haba ang tatangkad ng mga kalaban. Pero what an experience. Plus hindi gano'ng kainit dito. Hindi mo mapapansin na ang tagal man naglalaro. Pero solid game, maraming experience to. Kita-kits bukas sa susunod natin. So guys, we're in Australia and I met this new friend here. He's a cool guy, he's a tall guy, he's my brother from another mother. Let's go, boy!